If I could start over and learn web development in 2024, I'd do things very differently. Today, I'm breaking down the ultimate game plan to go from zero to hero in web dev. No fluff, no BS, just the essentials. Let's do this. Step 1. Don't even think about frameworks yet. We're talking pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Why? Because these three amigos are the foundation of the web. No matter how fancy things get in 2024, if you don't have these down, you're building a house on sand. Learn semantic HTML so your pages aren't just pretty but also accessible and SEO friendly. Then master Flexbox and Grid and CSS to whip up responsive layouts like a pro. And JavaScript? Start with the basics, then go ES6 plus that's arrow functions, destructuring, and async/await. Theory is cool, but let's get our hands dirty. Start building anything. A portfolio, a to-do list, a blog, whatever gets you coding. The more you build, the faster you learn. Plus, you'll start hitting those real-world challenges that Google can't always solve. Remember, your first project will suck, and that's totally fine. You're here to learn, not to launch the next Facebook. Yet? Next up, version control with Git. Listen, 2024 is no different. If you're not using Git, you're living in the past. Learn to commit code, branch like a tree, and merge without fear. GitHub is your new best friend. Trust me, your future self will thank you. You don't need to be a Git wizard, but you do need to know the basics. So start committing early and often. Break things, fix them, and learn along the way. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to level up. In 2024, React is still king of the front-end jungle, and for good reason. It's powerful, widely adopted, and has a killer ecosystem. So, dive into React, learn about components, hooks, and state management. But don't just stop at React. Get familiar with other tools in the ecosystem like Next.js for SSR and Vercel for deployment. The more you know, the more unstoppable you become. Want to go full stack? Good call. Start with Node.js and Express on the back end, and get comfortable with databases like MongoDB or PostgreSQL. Knowing how to build full stack apps makes you a one-person army. And don't forget APIs. They're the glue of the modern web. Learn to consume RESTful APIs, and if you're feeling spicy, dive into GraphQL. Being full stack gives you a serious edge in 2024. Now, let's talk DevOps. In 2024, deploying apps is as important as building them. Learn the basics of CI/CD, automate deployments, and use tools like Docker for containerization. Platforms like Vercel or Netlify make deployment a breeze, so no excuses. Mastering deployment means your apps don't just work locally, they work everywhere, and that's what really matters. Finally, let's get real. Being a web developer isn't just about writing code. It's about solving problems, communicating ideas, and collaborating with others. Work on those soft skills, whether it's explaining a complex bug to a client or collaborating with a team. And don't forget to network, attend meetups, contribute to open source, and build a portfolio that screams hire me. In 2024, who you know can be just as important as what you know. And there you have it, the ultimate roadmap for learning web development in 2024. Remember, it's not about knowing everything, it's about knowing the right things. So focus, build, and keep pushing forward.